Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Unfollowing any user who doesn't follow you back is easy enough by manually checking their profile dashboard. But do you want an alternative that is much faster and more efficient? In this video, I will show you the best two methods to check who isn't following you back and consequently unfollow them on Instagram. Let's go. Since Instagram doesn't necessarily have a dedicated feature to see the list of users you follow but don't follow back, one alternative is to manually check from your following list and visit each profile to see if you're on theirs. However, this can be tedious, especially if you have a large number of users to check. To make it easier, you can use a third-party tracking app that you can download from the App Store if you're on iOS, or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. When you search for Instagram unfollowers, there are several apps that provide clear tracking of your followers and following list on Instagram. During testing, I decided to go with the app that has the most positive feedback from its users, which is the Reports for Followers. Of course, feel free to download any of the other apps you've found if you prefer another. Once installed, open the app and enter your user credentials to give it access to your Instagram account. In the list of available statistics, find the Not Follow Me Back report. The app will then automatically provide a complete list of users you followed but not returned the favor. Conveniently, Reports for Followers also offers a feature that allows you to unfollow them all at once, but note that this requires a premium subscription. If you don't want to purchase the in-app feature, you can just use the list from the report as a reference and unfollow each profile directly from your Instagram account. To minimize the hassle, you can use your PC or other device to sign in with your Instagram account so you can see the list of users provided by the third-party app without having to switch between views. On your spare device, open the app or visit the web version of Instagram and sign in to your account. In my case, I will use the web version on my computer because it is easier to search my following list. Proceed to the profile dashboard and click Following. Using the list provided by Reports for Followers, search for each user and click the Following button to unfollow them. After you have unfollowed every user, go to the Profile tab in the Reports for Followers app and then log out of your account. If you are worried about the third-party app accessing your credentials, you can also go directly to your Instagram account and change your password. Another method I recommend is to install a browser extension specifically designed to track your Instagram following list, if you don't like installing third-party apps on your mobile device. Please note that this works specifically for Chrome browsers. To start, open Chrome and click the three-dot menu in the upper right corner. Locate Extensions from the configuration list and go to Visit Chrome Web Store. Use the search bar to look for Insta Detective and select the extension from the results. To install it on your browser, click Add to Chrome and Add Extension, respectively. Once installed, click the Extensions icon next to the address bar above and pin Insta Detective for easy access. Next, create a new tab in your browser and sign in to your Instagram account. After signing in, go to the pinned Insta Detective extension and hit the refresh icon to see the list of users who are not following you back. In the Extensions toolbar, you can click Copy or Download to get the list in a text file. For a more comprehensive display, click View in New tab instead. When you select a user from the list, a new tab is created and you are automatically redirected to the profile dashboard. Simply click on the Following button and choose Unfollow. You can then return to the Insta Detective tab, select the next user from the list, and follow the same steps to unfollow them. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.